The second step is to install what we call two support rods, short on the weighing table. Then connect that long support rod to the lower support table. Next step, that is, we want to put the scale head of the electronic scale. Mounts on long support rods, fixed by 4 hexagon screws. Well, after the machine head is installed, we install 3 leather tubes, moderately mounted behind to support rods. It's a U-tube. The shortest one is our U-shaped pipe connected to the valve. When installing the pipeline, remember to install our valve gasket on the pipe gasket. And then finally we hooked it up. Install the reload gun. And here's the thing. We didn't get that reloaded gun when we came standard. After the reloading gun is installed, then we have to put that RID connected to the weighing head. After connecting, we're going through a self-tapping wire. Fix the ID box to the back of the long support rod. Then the line below. Our matching one will be equipped with a line card. After connecting the ID, one of our scales, the installation is basically complete.